How to use Mt5 on Android. Most small and medium-sized investors in financial markets use technical analysis. Also, the broker must be chosen in the same area as one's trading place to avoid the delays in this extremely volatile market. The obvious moving target is enough capital to withstand the drawdown periods. Since big corporations don't control the currency trading, the chance of unforeseen risks is greatly reduced. However, many online forex market makers require the download and installation of software specific to their own trading platform. Interestingly, unlike blue-chip stocks, which are usually most attractive only to the long-term investor, the combination of rather constant but small daily fluctuations in currency prices create an environment which attracts investors with a broad range of strategies. The need arises to exchange between these e-currencies or convert an e-currency to hard cash. Plus, most sites have a forum or have a live online chat system where you can consult with forex brokers and other investors as well. Since forex trading is borderless and may be performed at any given time, it is obviously advantageous to have access to trading from as many locations as possible. Some provide home study courses on forex trading, some even provide training simulators to simulate the actual forex trading procedures. Also, the forex market, unlike other financial markets, has no permanent location, no central exchange, and just happens over the counter. If it is time for you to get in on online currency trading and you're anxious in getting started with forex trading, then click on over to Mike Ehrman's site at thecurrencytrader.info. Be sure to visit his other websites, Forex Trading, and Forex Firm. Retail traders are individuals who are a small part of this market. As with every type of investment, there are risks and there are benefits. The broker may also want to draw up a margin agreement. Andrew McNaught is a successful webmaster and publisher of Forex World Online, where you can find out more about getting started with forex trading. This risk can be reduced by carefully considering your investment objectives, your level of experience, and the level of risk within your comfort zone. It will help you learn the market and make an educated decision about future investments.